So if you've ever felt like you're just hitting a wall trying to get AI to do complex, multi-step tasks, you are definitely not alone. We're going to dive into a pretty big shift in how we think about automation, moving past single, simple prompts and into the wild world of collaborative AI teams.
And it all starts with a problem that probably sounds pretty familiar. Just take a look at this post from a user over on the Crew AI subreddit. They've got this e-commerce store, and they want to automate a workflow, access the store's data, analyze the new products as they come in, and then generate descriptions. It sounds straightforward, right? But this one task could literally save their team days of work.
This urge to automate these more complex workflows is everywhere, but it almost always leads people to the same frustrating roadblock when they try to use today's AI models.
So why is it so hard for one AI to handle a whole chain of different actions? Well, think about it. Asking a single AI to do everything is kind of like asking one person to be a researcher, a writer, and a senior editor all at the same time. I mean, sure, it's possible, but it's super inefficient, and you're just asking for mistakes to happen. It turns out the solution isn't just about trying to write a better, more perfect prompt. It's a whole new strategy. Instead of trying to rely on one single overworked AI, you build a team. The AI educator Andrew Jean puts it perfectly. This new way of thinking basically promotes you from a prompter into a manager. Your job isn't just asking for an output anymore. Now it's about setting the goals and then assembling the right team of AI agents to get the job done. And that brings us right to the core idea of Crew AI. It's a framework that lets you build these multi-agent systems. You take a big, complex job, you break it down into smaller pieces, and then you assign each of those pieces to a specialized AI agent that's designed to do that one thing really, really well. Okay, so what are the actual building blocks of one of these AI crews? Let's take a look under the hood. First up, you have the agents. And honestly, the best way to think about them is like they're your individual digital employees. Each one is a specialized worker with a specific role, a crystal clear goal, and, get this, even a backstory to give it context on what its purpose is. Next, every agent gets a task. This isn't some vague suggestion. It's a very specific, well-defined instruction. It's basically the to-do list for each member of your AI crew, making sure everyone knows exactly what part of the puzzle they're supposed to be solving. And this next part is absolutely crucial. You give them tools. A tool is just a special capability that lets an agent interact with the outside world. This could be anything from searching the web to reading a document or, and this is the big one, accessing an external API, which is basically the doorway that lets different pieces of software talk to each other. And right there, that directly solves the problem our Reddit user was having. To let an AI get to their store's data, all they have to do is create a custom tool that connects to their store's API, and then just hand that tool to one of their agents. And just like that, the crew has the access it needs. Problem solved. Okay, so the theory is cool, but let's see what this looks like in practice. We're going to check out a real-world project that used Crew AI along with Llama Index, which is a really popular framework for working with large language models. So in this example, a developer put together a 2-agent crew. Their mission was super specific. Dig into Uber's 2019 annual report, analyze it, and then write a blog post that summarizes the key risk factors. So let's meet the team. First, you've got the senior financial analyst. This agent is an expert, and its only job is to go through that report and pull out all the important insights. Then you have the tech content strategist, who is an expert at taking all those complicated financial details and turning them into an article that's actually interesting to read. See how this works? The task is split perfectly between them. The analyst agent does the deep, heavy-lifting research first. Then it just hands off its findings to the writer agent, who can focus completely on creating a story that a normal person can understand. And boom, here's a piece of the result. The crew, working together, autonomously produced this really well-written, insightful article. A human didn't write this sentence. It was generated by the collaboration between that researcher and that writer agent. Pretty amazing. But the teamwork doesn't have to be a simple one-way handoff. Crew AI actually lets you build even more sophisticated and intelligent workflows. Let's look at how you can really level up your crew. For one, you get to decide how your crew collaborates. A sequential process is basically an assembly line. Agent 1 does its job, passes the work to Agent 2, and so on. But you can also set up a hierarchical process. That's where you have a manager agent that delegates tasks, checks the work, and coordinates the whole project. That allows for way more dynamic problem solving. You can also give your crew a memory.
Without it, the crew starts every single job with a totally blank slate. But when you switch on memory, the crew can actually learn from what it's done in the past, hold on to insights, and get better and better over time, just like a human team gets smarter with experience.
So when you step back and look at the big picture, what does this whole shift toward AI crews really mean for the future of, well, building things?
The big takeaway here is that we are watching a major evolution happen right now. We're moving away from AI that's just conversational, like a chatbot, and we're moving towards functional, autonomous AI systems that you can actually trust to get complex, real-world work done.
This kind of technology unlocks a totally new way to build stuff. It lets you take these massive, overwhelming challenges and break them down into a series of manageable tasks for your own dedicated AI crew. So the real question is, what problem would you solve first?